We have a pretty little Kiva sleeping and snoring. You can sleep anytime you want, in any position you want, because you have the life of a kitty. But the humans watch you sleep and listening to you snore. They must follow sleep hygiene. They must go to bed at the same time every day. Get up at the same time every day. They must not use electronic devices or watch screens before bed. They should simply read a book. Be consistent. That's right. But kitties can do whatever they want, because they're kitties. Like my pretty little Kiva here, who's the best and the cutest. Okay, go back to sleep. Night night, Kiva.